A pleasant morning to each and everyone again. Welcome to our subject, the concepts of accounting. And our topic for this day is all about accounting cycle of a service business. And these are the different learning objectives. Number one, how to prepare a worksheet. Number two, prepare closing entries. Prepare a balance sheet and income statement of a service business and prepare entries. And how do we define a worksheet? A worksheet is an analytical device used to facilitate the gathering of data for adjustments, the preparation of financial statements, and closing entries. Worksheet is not part of the financial statement, but that is a device na pwede pong gamitin in the preparation of financial statements. So these are the different parts of a worksheet. So the heading, and it is composed of the name of the business, the title of the report, and date covered by the report. So there's the accounts, column for the accounts, adjusted trial balance, adjustments, adjusted trial balance. Then you can come up with income statement and an income statement and a balance sheet. So yan po siya. So magkakaiba po ang template po ng worksheet depende po sa inadapt ng company po. So that is an example only. Now po natin guys. So how do we define financial statements? Are the end product of the accounting process. Information from the journal and the ledger are meaningless to most users unless they are summarized and communicated through the financial statements. So aanhin mo po ang mga raw data kapag hindi naman po na-summarize and na-communicate po naman ang output sa mga different decision makers. Tama po ba guys? Yes po. So the major processes in accounting are summarized below. Number one, journalizing, recording, posting, classifying, financial statements, summarizing, and communicating. Financial statements, statement of financial position or balance sheet. Another term for balance sheet is statement of financial position. Kahit ano po dyan ang gamitin nyo po, pwede naman po. It shows information on assets, liabilities, and equity. Statement of profit or loss or income statement. It shows information on income and expenses and consequently the profit or loss for the period. Kapag mas mataas po ang income, kaysa expenses, that is a profit po. If mas mataas po ang expenses kaysa income, then that is a loss po. Closing entries. Closing entries are entries prepared at the end of the accounting period to zero out all nominal accounts in the ledger. This is done so that the transactions during the period will not commingle with the transactions in the next period. Ang kita mo for this month, iba rin po ang kita mo for the following month po. So I hope naman po natin the purpose of closing the different nominal accounts, guys. Closing entries are prepared as follows po. All income accounts and are debited and all expense accounts are credited. The resulting balance is recorded in clearing account called the income summary. What is the normal balance of income again? Credit. Once na kinos mo po, it should be debited po. Vice versa naman po kay expense po. What is the normal balance of expense accounts? Debit. And you need to credit all the expense accounts, guys. And the balancing figure po, ilalagay mo po siya sa income summary po. The balance of income summary is close to the owner's capital account. So kapag kita po yan, naka-debit sa income summary. Kapag loss naman po yan, naka-credit po siya. Okay? So what is the effect of kita sa capital? Tataas po. Ang loss naman po ay bababa naman ang capital po. Any balance in the owner's drawings account is close to the owner's capital account. So ano yung mga nandito guys? Quality of debits and credits po. Debits and credits are equal under the unadjusted trial balance. Adjusted trial balance, same naman po. Income statement po. The difference between debits and credits po. So, anong nakalagay po dyan? represents profit or loss po. For the balance sheet naman, the difference between debits and credits po represents profit or loss. Post-closing trial balance, debits and credits are equal. Ang matitira na lang po sa post-closing trial balance ay ang mga real accounts po. So wala na po sina nominal accounts po. So I hope nakuha po natin kung ano yung mga makikita natin per reports na nandito guys. So what do you mean by reversing entries? Reversing entries are entries usually made on the first day of the next accounting period to reverse certain adjusting entries made in the immediately preceding period po. Lahat po ba ng adjusting entries guys ay pwedeng ma-reverse? Ang sagot po dyan ay hindi po. Okay, so ito lang pong mga pwedeng i-reverse guys. That may be reversed. Number one, accruals for income or expense. Prepayments initially recorded using the expense method. Advance collections initially recorded using the income method po. Ayan. So kapag ang ginamit mo po ay asset method, hindi po pwedeng ma-reverse po yan. Kung liability method, hindi rin po pwedeng ma-reverse po yan. Dapat expense method and income method po initially na ni-record mo po ang transaction para pwede po siyang ma-reverse po. So reversing entries are optional only. Okay? So it's up to you if you will do the reversing or not po. Okay? So I hope naintindihan po natin ang purpose ng lesson for this day po. Any question, any suggestion, any comment po, you can comment down sa ating comment section po. Okay? So afterwards, I will send to you the different activities po for you to answer, for you to practice po yung mga concepts and what I mean, the lessons na napag-aralan po natin for this day po. So that ends our lesson for this day po. I hope may natutunan po tayo and I hope may babahagi po natin sa iba ang ating natutunan po. Thank you and God bless you guys.